We are doing exercise 7D, and in this video I will be answering question 2a, which says find a sequence of transformations that takes the graph of y equals 5 over x minus 3 squared minus 7 to the graph of y equals 1 over x squared. Alright, so whenever we're doing these transformation type questions, we know that we're starting with a point x, y. We then apply a transformation, and we arrive at a new point. That's what we know. Now in this graph, we really need to take a note of the wording. We're starting here, and then we're moving here. So that means that my original point, my xy, is going to exist on this graph here. So let me write that in. 5 over x minus 3 squared minus 7. Then I'm going to apply a transformation and get here. So it might seem counterintuitive, but you have to make sure that you read the question carefully. That's what it's asking. We're starting here, then we're applying a transformation and getting here. So that means my newly transformed point is going to exist on this graph. So my first step is, just like before, is going to be putting my x dash and y dash into my newly transformed graph, because I know that my x dash y dash is going to exist on it. My next step is rearranging. So this time I'm going to rearrange this. So I'm going to plus 7 to both sides. I'm going to get y plus 7. Then I have this 5, so I'm going to divide by 5, which means I'm going to get 1 over x minus 3 squared. Then we still have this on this side. Perfect. All right, let's now come to step 3. In step 3, I'm going to say, let this equal y dash, and let this equal x dash. So let me write that down. What I'm saying is, let y dash equal this right here, y plus 7 over 5. And let x dash, x dash equal x minus 3. Alright, so let's scroll up to the top for a second. The aim of the game is trying to figure out what x dash and y dash is. If I can figure that out, then I can figure out what my sequence of transformations is. And as you can see here, I've already done it. I don't even have to rearrange. It's already here. My y dash is going to be y plus 7 over 5, and my x dash is going to be x minus 3. So that means, if we were to come here for a second, I'm starting with my original point, and then I'm applying my transformation, which is going to be x minus 3 and y plus 7 over 5. So in other words, if we apply these transformations to this, we arrive here to my newly transformed point. Hopefully that was helpful in answering question 2a. These questions, I imagine that most of you, if you are having difficulty, is in simply making sure you get the order right. We're moving from this to that. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you in class.